Hey, what is up, guys? It's Kevin back in with a quick new video, just showing you guys what I've been doing and what I've been working on. Now, I know what's going through a lot of you guys' head. Hey, Kevin, what's going on with you? You don't make videos anymore. You hadn't made a video in like a month and a half. You're supposed to be a YouTuber and all that. And I wouldn't consider myself a YouTuber. I make YouTube videos as a hobby, basically. But I've got so much stuff going on. I just hadn't had a chance to really upload videos. Plus, man, this year has been freaking horrible. You know what I say? Fuck 2020, because it's been horrible. I guess people out of work and they have cars and they're selling them for super overpriced. I mean, for the past, like, I want to say 4 or 5 months, man, people are selling shitty Civics with bad paint, with knocking motors, locked up motors, bad transmissions, and they're trying to get like $800 to $1,500 out of them. So I just kind of sat back for a while, and I was like, I'm not really going to mess with it, because I got other forms of income, so it's not going to kill me if I'm not flipping cars or whatever. So I sat back, and then I thought about it last week, and I was like, let me jump on and let me get back into it, get back into the groove, and I can start making more videos. So I was looking and looking and looking. Day 4 yesterday, I actually found this car, and they had it up for $1,000. And I found it, and I talked to the dude, and he was like, yeah, I got a lot of people wanting to come see it. So I was like, yeah, whatever. And then he hit me back up yesterday night, and he was like, yeah, these dudes wanting to come see it, but they never show up. So if you want to come see it, come on. It was only 22 minutes from here. So I went and took a look at it. He said, well, it runs, it drives. It was my daughter's car. She could drive it for a couple days, and then it'd start overheating. I had to put water in it. So I'm going to have to check and see what that is. I drove it around for about 20 minutes and didn't have an issue. I paid $350 for it. Clean title, current emissions, shifts great. Let me show you what it is. This is, if I can get it to focus here, this is a 1999 Honda Civic EX automatic. Of course, it's EX, so it has the Y8 engine, VTEC engine. All the windows work, the sunroof works, the AC, the heat works. Right here, where the hood stand goes, that's pretty much the only dent in the car. They got the fender flares with the aftermarket MSR wheels on it. 17-inch, good tires, fog lights, everything works on the car. The only thing that's not good is the driver's side door handle is not working, so I'm going to have to check and see. It's been sitting for a while, so it's a little bit dingy. I'm not really feeling these fender flares, but I'm going to leave them on there because, of course, they put them on with screws. So if I take them off, it's going to leave some, screw marks in there, so I don't want to do that. Of course, like with all Civics, the clear coat's chipping off. Other than, this right here, the interior is in okay shape. I mean, it's not bad. Incented white. Might have to go over that a little bit. So, let me show you here. It actually starts up and runs really good if I can find the key. It's got a check engine light, but it already has current emissions. I checked the check engine light. Is coming up with a Bank 1 O2 sensor. I think I have one. If I do have one, I'll probably put it in here because it only takes like 5 minutes. But like I said, it's got an aftermarket Kenwood CD player. It's got tweeters there, and then tweeters up here. It's got Sony Explode 6x9s in the back, as you can see here. I mean, the interior is actually pretty good on this car, especially for like $350. It's got some maintenance records in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Half tank gas. I was figuring, shit, $350. I gotta find out why it's overheating or where it's losing coolant, and then after that, I'll probably wax it up, make it look good. I'm gonna redo these. I'm gonna redo these headlights up here, because you can see somebody did them, and it's actually got a circle here. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably sand all of it down, then buff it, and then put some alcohol on it to clean it off, and then redo that there. But the fog lights actually work pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty much it as of now. I'll probably get to do that tomorrow. I've got a Christmas party to go to tomorrow, so I'm not sure if I'll actually get time, because that's at 3 o'clock, and I got something else to do in the morning. I don't remember what, but I'll definitely have it done by Sunday. By Sunday night, I'll upload it, and I'll show you guys after I clean it, after I wax it, after, you know, I get everything situated. I'll make another video and let you guys know how it comes out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys being patient with me on making videos, and if you got any comments or suggestions or anything like that, leave it in the comment section below. And that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you guys later.